There is a disorder.
That's all it is. It's a disorder that creates a ripple effect.
It's out of equilibrium.
Right.
If my body has a virus in it, it
Mhm.
has to go out of order.
Mhm.
It has to become hot to burn the virus out. I'm not at my natural equilibrium. So to bring things back into order, your body's designed to eradicate that waste. That's why you don't keep like waste inside you. That's why you have to go to the bathroom. Your body is always trying to take a complex system and bring it back to a state
That's
of
why you get a
equilibrium.
fever.
That's
It's
why
a
you
law
get-
of thermodynamics.
It's a thermodynamic law. So Jason, where does this lead us in the discussion then?
Yeah, and so law of thermodynamics dictates that entropy or disorder increases over time. Similar in software, AI, whatever you want to call it, unoptimized processes lead to waste, which you were talking about, in the form of unused data, energy consumption, or unanticipated errors. So waste and deterioration serves as reflections of a system's complexity and its inability to achieve perfect harmony.
Okay, so we know that creation has very distinct, clear, simple laws, very observable. But if you're here on planet Earth, you see polluted oceans, you see massive amounts of waste, huge amounts of sickness, right? Excess people that can't find a job because the population's so large. All of these things start to come together, and you begin to see that the inputs which people are bringing into it are non-efficient inputs. That means that our inputs for how we're making decisions in this world do not align with the laws of creation or nature that allow us to exist. So everything we were doing is an immediate reflection of our disconnection with the thing that allows us to live. And you see this waste around you all the time. You actually feel it in your mind.